I got the unlimited one.
How you get them? Who worked there? Damn!
2 hours. Any game.
I'm playing basketball.
Popping on the block, I never serve a cop. I office couple Glock, I ain't about to see the grade. Pull up, I make quick stop. I shot one stop, I'm hop 7.
You feel me? We had the bar with it. Look, got the gang all here. We had the bar with it though. Look, I'm getting our picture. You know, getting our picture. Look at it though. I'm gonna get on that side. Yes, bro.
Yes, sir. I subscribe to your channel.
We gotta get this pic though. Hold up. I'm about to vlog the rest of the night.
Close out the app.
We just got done drinking at
Baronga.
Chesapeake.
It was our car?
How fucked up are you?
Nah, he getting his car from the valet people. But you know, big dripper, big stepper. Come on now.
Look at the vlogging.
You got me vlogging it there. You see it, but you know, we had Chesapeake City Inn, right?
It's just Chesapeake Inn.
Chesapeake Inn. Come on, what y'all got to say? Like, we here. Y'all gotta get here. This is a nice ass place. Nice ass place. You feel me?
Got the perfect view.
Feel me?
Take your shorty.
Watch this
Take
stuff.
anybody. Go ahead.
Take anybody, chick.
They not letting you stand at the bar. Like you gotta sit down.
Still too fast right there, man. That's the kickback. Get out of here. You feel me? Oh, I gotta turn the flash over in the dark with it. Hold on. So I can't really see nothing in front of me because it's bright light in my face. But how you gonna call a shotgun? I'm sitting there. But you know, we about to go to main event right now. Yeah, so I can't see nothing. I gotta put the. You see the views. Come on. Big 80s. But you feel me? Rashawn, what you got this?
He got kicked out for that.
Who?
Remember when he was like,
Who that?
he was messing with the water?
That's it?
Yeah.
Remember
He was messing with the water and he was like,
How's she just gonna take my seat though? I don't like that. Watch this though.
Judy needs it.
Watch this though. What you doing, yo? Yo, this is crazy. This is crazy, man. So like, I'm locked out the car right now. I'm just waiting. Yo, let me in. All right, thank you. Feel me? Big Draco on here, but you know.
I can't with
So,
the fucking vlog.
The vlog. We're going to main event. I'm gonna catch on when we get there.
Nobody cares.
Yo, you eat my French fries though? Cause I don't like.
Bro, these are my French fries.
Just got the main event. Get my boy on there.
Yeah, he's
Y'all see what he's rocking? Y'all see what he's rocking? That's me, by the way. That's me. Sold out in one day. Gone. But you know, we just got the main event. It's approximately 11 o'clock. That's him right there?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll get back to you when we get inside, you dig?
I need some food, bro. Fuck that.
Just got a main event, dog. Big.
Are you gonna start your food?
I think so. We're here. We at the bar.
Like, I don't want them to be big.
I'm about to go to the bar, dog. Yeah, you gotta get the vlogging in. You gotta get the vlogging in. Main event, John. You know. Put my mask on. It's gonna look close, right? Yo. He just checked in. He told him to stand 6 feet back.
He saw the pool table, man.
He told him to stand 6 feet back.
I told him, like, my boy, I got corona and shit. Like, I'll do my mask next time.
Yeah. I'm hungry. I'm more hungry than I am. But, you know, man. Vlogging. Gotta get it in. So,
Get some meat.
yeah, it don't matter, bro. It really don't.
Like, I'm not trying to eat a whole
That's what I've been saying. I don't want a lot. That's all. Come on.
I ain't trying to eat a whole bunch of shit. Then my son will be all like that.
That's what I'm saying. Then I'm gonna have to throw up. You know what I mean? I wanna know if Jeremy was. It's Saturday?
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. Everybody there go Madison. Nah. So we bought the bowl.
We're about to bowl.
We bought a bowl.
I'm drunk as shit. I just took a shot.
Nah. Let's see. Trying to bowl. How much is it again? Up to 5 people per hour. Shit.
He's vlogging.
Why'd he try to BS his way through there? He always do it. He always do it. Man, we gotta pay this man. Let's see.
I know.
BSing their way through with some Butler and Tillman thing.
We were waiting.
I'm just sitting here. I don't know.
We're about to go to my house and get the tequila.
Would you say it again?
We're going to my house.
And
we're
what?
going to get the tequila. It's
We're really
like
gonna have
5 minutes
fun.
away. Like, we're about to go there.
We got 30 minutes to spare, so
It's going to take us 5 minutes to get there.
Yeah, man. I'm about to throw a rock at him. I don't got a rock. Yeah, bro, I gotta get everything. You know?
We're about to do the same shit.
I put it down. Hopefully my phone don't got the Rona.
That's a total for 5 people an hour.
There we go.
Come here. Come here.
We about
We're about to bowl.
go.
We're going to go get some tequila.
Man, he BSing his way through life. That's what he do the best. He in Madison.
Sugar mom.
Sugar mom, buy everything, you know. Card. Oh, okay. Yeah, let me turn it this way, you know. We about to hoop.
25? Other amount.
Other way, no.
We're going to do 15.
That's fine.
Holy shit.
Whoa.
Get that in the vlog. Get that in the vlog. Get that in the vlog.
We don't want
I
that.
almost hit enter. I almost hit enter.
There we go, there we go.
What the?
Card fee.
I have cards in my house.
This is some BS. I got a card in mine. I'm about to reload mine. Well, let me. Whoa,
Look
what?
at my card.
I didn't do it. I turned it. What? Since when?
You get this thing?
The chip?
Rashad. You're not Rashad. Jesus fucking Christ.
Oh, there you go. Take your receipt.
Thank you. Alright, we're
There
good.
you go. I didn't even pay yet. I ain't gonna pay. I'm playing basketball. I'm not playing basketball. But, you know, maybe. They just called my name. I heard them. I'm not turning around.
Wait, why is only one open? We're buying on this one, okay?
They just called my name. I heard them. And Madison started running.
Yellow's in, waiting for red.
Let's go. Let's fucking go. We gotta
Or
shoot.
shoot the start solo game.
Where we just shooting at? Anywhere?
You selected hard.
One.
Yellow
Bucket.
player, shoot.
Damn, we selected hard.
Oh,
Oh, we playing
Oh,
Connect
shit.
4 basketball. Damn, we gotta get it in there.
oh no. Wait, I got you.
You said, hold up, it's my turn. No! Yo, what?
Basketball was there.
We were showing it in though.
Run by the food. I don't know where the food
This?
Yeah, I played this. You know how I play this?
Nope.
You just throw the ball and knock him down. My boy, and there he is.
Are you ready?
Let's go, Matt. Let's go.
Let's go back up.
You need to back up. You need to back up. Oh, shit! Light!
Oh, shit.
Go, hold the back, hold the back, hold the back.
Go ahead, knock it out the park.
Let me see something, Maddie.
Wait, don't knock me out, though.
Oh, see him.
How the fuck did I do?
Just back over the top. I got you. Go ahead. Where you gonna hit it? Ah! Come on, y'all gotta hit one. What the fuck is this?
We ran.
What is this? Yo, y'all gotta hit one. What the hell is this? There we go. There we go. What's that? Yeah.
We get tickets. We get tickets. I'm getting a fucking prize. I'm getting a pencil.
I got the unlimited one.
How you get them? Who worked there?
$15.
Damn.
2 hours. Any game.
Ah, I'm playing basketball. We got it though. Alright, we about to get bowling, yo. So, you feel me? You feel me? Free car work. Let's get it. About to go bowling. Got the arrow with it. I got hungry, so I got some pizza today. Come on. So,
I gotta go.
I'm after Ant. I gotta find my ball. Look for at least an 8, you feel me? But you know. I know our result.
Please make sure you get your last 3 orders in at this time.
Hold the fuck up. I can have one bite.
You can have it.
I don't want the whole slice.
I only wanted this. Give me 2.
Oh my god, I'm so fucked up. He gave me a big ass shot. You're vlogging still.
Yep. I'll let you know who win the game. He gonna get the spare for you. I call this the spare ball. Yeah, he called this the spare ball. The green spare. Yeah. You feel me? On aisle 12. What's about to happen? A spare. A spare? Yeah. Ah! Ah! Oh, cut that. He ain't gonna spare out though. Oh, yeah. It's right down the middle. It's waiting for it. It's waiting for it. No, he didn't. My boy. Hey, get this. Get this dub, man. Get this dub on here. I just want you to see it. There you go. Got 78 right now. My boy need a couple shirts. Go ahead. You know, get the shirts, man. Go ahead. That's how you feeling? Oh shit! Oh. Go ahead, man. You got hit with the dagger. Woo! 107. Okay. Come on, man. I got a 107. That's not even good, but I got it. Everything off on us. They just cut everything off. They just cut.
It's still my turn.
You're getting this straight.
You gonna get the strike. Get the strike in the daytime, bro.
In the daytime.
In the daytime. It's daytime right now.
What are you talking about,
K2 4 times. It's out of here. I'm out of here. Matter of fact, yo, give it up, chump. Give it up. Yo, get him out of here. Get this man out of here.
3 turns.
Get him out of here. Wow, gutter ball. Wow. Give it up.
We did.
You know,
I've been here for a while.
you know.
Weren't. Holy shit. We
Yo, you
were
selling
fucking
something?
I don't know. It's the end of the vlog, yo.
Let me get a quarter.
This vlog.
Yo.
This dumbass vlog. I was in with it and then I lost everything, so now I'm done with it.
Feel me? We done. We done. It's over. Oh my god. She's a jeweler. I get down, I'm emotionally scarred. It's so hard to trust a girl with this vest around my heart. It's like they ripping it apart. I need a girl that's fine and do some art, and I'm hoping that she would never.